I wanna tell ya about a place where life just happens at the perfect pace, and the people will greet you with a warm embrace. Smile so bright, found from face to face. Yeah, the sun's always shining and life is grand, and happiness is lived firsthand. With farmers markets, open stands, fresh fruit brought forth from the lands. Time is spent with family. You can come and take a look and see. There's music, dancing, and barbecues, folk, jazz, country, and the blues. With laughing and singing, fun is near. Good times had throughout the year, and if you listen, you will overhear the problems simply disappear. If you come down here to see it all, then it's guaranteed in love you'll fall. With the Carolinas, mountains high and valleys wide. The Carolinas, beauty from ground to the sky. The Carolinas, golden sunsets seen by all. The Carolinas, through winter, spring, summer, and fall. The Carolinas, full of charm and history. The Carolinas, there's no place I'd rather be. The Carolinas, where the good folks move and roam. The Carolinas, this place is our home, sweet home. Horseback riding, city living, everything is here